Welcome! So in this video, I'm going to show you a guide on how to get custom songs on Beat Saber Oculus Quest 2. So before we proceed with the tutorial, getting custom songs on Beat Saber for Oculus Quest 2 requires a process called sideloading, which involves installing third-party applications on your device. Please note that the sideloading may void your warranty, and it is essential to proceed with caution and at your own risk. Additionally, since Beat Saber is regularly updated, the process for installing custom songs might change over time. So here's a general outline of the steps to get custom songs on Beat Saber for Oculus Quest 2 using sideloading. First, enable developer mode. So to sideload applications, you need to enable developer mode on your Oculus Quest 2. This involves registering as a developer with Oculus and setting up your device for development. You can find instructions on how to enable developer mode on the Oculus Developer website. Next, install SideQuest. SideQuest is a third-party application that allows you to sideload content onto your Oculus Quest 2. Download and install SideQuest on your PC from their official website. Next, connect Oculus Quest 2 to PC. Connect your Oculus Quest 2 to your PC using a compatible USB cable. Launch SideQuest. Launch your SideQuest application on your PC, then install Beat Saber Mode. So, in SideQuest, search for the Beat Saber mod called BMBF or Beat Saber Modding Framework. Install it on your Oculus Quest 2 by following the instructions provided. Now, download custom songs. So once BMBF is installed, you can use it to download and install custom songs for Beat Saber. You can find custom songs on various websites and Beat Saber communities. Make sure to download songs that are compatible with the version of Beat Saber you have. Lastly, sync custom songs. After downloading custom songs on BMBF, you can sync them to Beat Saber on your Oculus Quest 2. This process should be explained within the BMBF app. Please be aware that the process of sideloading and installing custom songs may change over time due to software updates and changes made by Oculus or the Beat Saber development team. It is crucial to stay informed about any changes or new methods by visiting Beat Saber and Oculus communities or forums. Always be cautious when sideloading content, as it can lead to unintended consequences and potential risks to your device and experience. Additionally, custom songs may not be officially supported, and using them might impact the stability and performance of the game. So these are the guide. So I hope this video helped you, and if it did, make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the bell notification so you won't miss a video. See you in the next one, and have a great day!